In this video, we list top 5 electric pressure washer. We talk about details and feature of these electric pressure washer. Let's start the video. Number 1. Joe SPX3001. Powerful 14.5 amp/1800 watt motor generates up to 2030 psi/1.76 GPM for maximum cleaning power. Onboard reel keeps 20 feet, 6 m, high pressure hose organized for quick and easy cleanup and storage. 5 quick connect spray tips, 0 degree, 15 degree, 25 degree, 40 degree, and soap, tackle light. Water capability, cold. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 2. Evasion 9175L. Incredible cleaning power generated by the 1800 watt/14.5 amp motor outputs a whopping 1.8 GPM. 5 interchangeable high and low pressure nozzles wash various surfaces. Easy to use system requires just 30 seconds setup. Power washer features safety automatic total stop system. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 3. AR Blue Clean 390SS. Motor type, universal 120 V 60 Hz. Conserves water by using 80% less water with 40% more power than a standard garden hose. 48 ounces detergent tank and 4 different quick change pressure washer nozzles. Easy and quick for decks, patios, siding, driveways, outdoor furniture, cars, trucks, RVs, ATVs and more. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 4. AR Blue Clean 383. Professional style pressure washer gun. 2 different pressure washer wands. 2 high pressure quick change wands with pressure washer turbo and variable nozzles. 20-foot high pressure hose. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 5. Joe SPX3001. Powerful 14.5 amp/1800 watt motor generates up to 2030 psi/1.76 GPM for maximum cleaning power. Water inlet temperature, max, is 104 degrees Fahrenheit. Working pressure 1450 psi. 20-foot high pressure hose. Automatically shuts off the pump when trigger is not engaged to save energy and prolong pump life. Please check the description for details and best price. Thanks for watching. If you like this, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.